स्टेट्स को भी पवेलियन लगाने को कहा गया है, महाराष्ट्र सरकार भी अपना लगा रही है और साथ ही साथ सेक्टर स्पेसिफिक पवेलियंस भी हैं, जैसे ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एंड इंफोटेनमेंट जो पिलर बता रहे हैं उसकी इंडस्ट्री होगी, उसकी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां होंगी, उनके स्टॉल्स होंगे, उनकी स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी का डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन होगा, सो दैट कोई भी पार्टनर जाके देखे कि आज की तारीख में उस सेक्टर में स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नोलॉजी क्या है। तो एज अ विजिटर यू कैन गो, एज अ स्टेक होल्डर यू कैन गो, उसमें कैटेगरीज डिफाइंड है, एक में आप डेलीगेट हैं, एक में आप विजिटर हैं।
And of course you can go as media delegates also. So there are different, like he was saying that if you are a content creator and you just want to, go and see what is happening in your sector, then you can go as a visitor or as a delegate. And once we get the schedule, I think the picture will become much more clearer. Yes. But we wanted to give you a heads up and especially get you accredited. So that was one of the reasons why.
Can you throw some light on this very interesting competition, film poster competition?
Rabi.
Because there are several aspects of it. What are the prize money and whether the producers will be interested in showing to others what they conceive as poster?
So film poster competition was curated by very two important organizations. One is NFA, National Film Archives of India, now under NFDC, and another one FTII. So they have made certain workshops and they have invited certain entries. And now the competition is over. We are expecting the results to be announced on the at the Creators Fair during the Wave Summit. So it was they were expecting the participants to recreate film posters, and I think that Sakal has published one article also about that competition. So like each competition has got certain context. Like another one from Mumbai is through Khadi. So they are doing a kind of design competition on how we can design khadi better. So each competition has got certain organization attached, and most of these organizations are industry organizations.
Ma'am, who all has
I'll
confirmed
share
from
that
the
article with you.
who all has confirmed from the film and the music industry?
Still work in progress. Some of the advisory panel for our advisory board. Our advisory board has, people from the media and entertainment sector from across the country. So we are hoping that our advisory panel board members will be there during the summit. And we also have a A.R. Rahman concert on the 3rd. He is also on the advisory board. That concert is happening at D.Y. Patil. I think Waves Handle just tweeted about it. So give us another week, we will get a lot more confirmations on this.
So if you go to the Wave Summit page on social media, you will get the confirmations. Like there are at least 3 confirmations they have tweeted today.
When will the schedule be out in India? Like roughly?
Another week?
Yes.
आय होप तुमचे बरेच डाऊट्स क्लिअर झाले असतील आणि मेन पार्ट म्हणजे रजिस्ट्रेशनचा आहे जो तुम्हाला आता करता येईल. तर नाव नेक्स्ट आय विल रिक्वेस्ट आवर असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर मॅम निकिता जोशी टू प्लीज गिव्ह वोट ऑफ थँक्स अँड आफ्टर दॅट वी हॅव अ गुड delicious lunch. So please enjoy.
Thank you, Sonalji. To begin with, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank DG Smita ma'am for creating this opportunity where we could interact with all of you, and to the Minister for being here today and giving us a holistic idea about Waves, and of course to Waves, which gave us this opportunity to meet all of you, because this has been something that has been in our mind for a very long time, to call all of you, invite you here and interact with you. And Waves provided this opportunity because we hope even beyond Waves we can keep in touch with you, and you can connect with us on areas that are of interest to you with regard to the central government, and we of course can come to you and speak to you regarding various projects, and we can work out how we can work on that together. And thank you so much to all of you. I know all of you are very busy in your work, but you still took out time to be here with us today and listen to everything we have to say. Thank you so much.
Wish you guys all the best.
Thank you for doing.
Wish you guys all the best, and may this happen every year.
No, you wish us all the best after we get lots of coverage from you.
Definitely, that's for sure.
And we can showcase to Delhi that okay, Mumbai can do it better.
Yeah, we can do that.